Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at the past simple and the past continuous. The past simple, an action in the past that's finished. For example, my telephone rang. Past continuous, an action in the past that's in progress. It's got duration. Past continuous, ing, I was watching television. You can put them both together. So, we are here now. The time of speaking. Last night, I was watching TV. Past continuous. In the middle of watching TV, my telephone rang. I was watching TV when my telephone rang. I was watching television when my telephone rang. English grammar, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.